Today's word is after. A-F-T-E-R. After. Can you say it? After. Great job. After means following something in time. Listen. We eat dessert after dinner. After school, I play outside. Come home right after the game. Say it with me. After.